Update on Dele Farotimi's case. This is breaking news. Magistrate Court Ekiti Adjourns ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application to December 20. Indeed, the criminal justice system in Nigeria, as Mr. Dele Farotimi have said earlier, before he was arrested or adopted, or some people can say before he was kidnapped. The Magistrate Court in Ekiti State has reversed its ruling and adjourned the bail application of human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi to Friday, December 20, 2024. My question is this to you guys: what do you think about this case? I need you to leave your comments. As the Magistrate Court Ekiti adjourns ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application till December 20, 2024. What is your take on this ruling? What are you thinking? What are your thoughts? Please leave your comments on the comment section. Make sure you also subscribe, and let's go with this update. Please do subscribe. God bless you. The ruling means Farotimi, despite the growing public outcry, will remain in the custody for another 10 days, prolonging his wait for justice and freedom. So earlier, you remember, Farotimi on Tuesday pleaded not guilty to 14 charges leveraged against him at the Ekiti Magistrate Court, and the charges, which were initially 16, were amended and reduced to 14 by the prosecution before it being served to the defendants. Earlier, Sahara reporter have reported that human rights lawyer Farotimi arrived at the premises of the Ekiti Magistrate Court in Ekiti State in the ongoing trials of the defendant's suit filed against him by by Afe Babalola, and the Nigerian Correctional Service brought the lawyer on Tuesday morning to the court without an handcuff, which wasn't so when he was taken before, after facing backlashes on Monday at the Federal High Court. Also, Farara reporter have reported that Farotimi submitted a preliminary objection urging the Ekiti Magistrate Court in Ekiti State to dismiss the defamation and suit filed against him by Afe Babalola. The preliminary objection filed on Monday, dated December 9, 2024, ahead of Tuesday hearing of the defamation charges, was submitted through the lead counsel Dele Farotimi, who led the team of 19 other lawyers. The objection is based on Section 36 8 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Section 14(1) of the Criminal Law of Ekiti, and Section 77, 10A, 147, and 370 of the Ekiti State Administration of Criminal Justice Law 2024, and Section 24, Section 42 of the Magistrate Court Law number 5, 2024 of Ekiti State. So Farotimi objection outlines 5 key grounds, arguing that the charges against him is legally invalid, non-existent, and that the magistrate acted beyond their jurisdiction by considering an incompetent charge. The 5 grounds of the objection are as follows. The 16 counts charged before the magistrate court pertain to alleged offense under the Criminal Code Act. The Criminal Code Act is applicable in Ekiti State through adoption and domestication as the Criminal Code Law Cap C16 Law of Ekiti 2012. The Criminal Code Law Cap C16 Law of Ekiti 2012 has been expressly repealed and replaced by Section 429A of the Criminal Law of Ekiti State 2021. So the alleged defamation of Afe Babalola and 2 of his partners, Olu Daramola San and Olu Faru, as well as the law firm Afe Babalola and Co., as detailed in the charges, is not recognized under Criminal Law of Ekiti State 2021 and is thereby non-existent. Based on this point, the Honorable Magistrate acted without jurisdiction by allowing the charge to proceed, ordering the arraignment of the defendant and subsequently ordering his detention in prison. Farotimi defense team include Yinka Olamide Fasuka, who led the defense team, 3 other senior advocates who have Festus Emiri, Bamidele Ibironke, Shegun Ololade, along with 16 other legal practitioners. So, I mean, this is what it is. I know they will try to also prolong this, and we hope that when this case continue on December 20, it's going to be in favor of Dele Farotimi. And also, I mean, justice needs to be served. If they find anything against him, at least we're in court. But then the reason why a lot of people are behind him is we know him as someone that has been focal He never kept quiet when it comes to the issues that concerns Nigerians. He's always speaking the truth, and we know that, I mean, if you have any case against him, go to court. That's what you can do. Go to court, and if the court now said he's guilty, then we hands up. That is, if the justice, I mean, is their ruling is not being manipulated, if they didn't do anything to obstruct the justice, and they just let the justice go the way it's supposed to go, and the ruling is smooth, then we will agree with that. But in the case whereby he's been adopted, they will just harass him, and in the case whereby they have to do things the way they did it, Nigerians are saying no, 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 we're not going to take that. It's not going to happen like that. So, but then the case has been adjourned to December 20th, and we want to see what happened on that day. Thank you so much for watching. This is ONIF TV, and this is an update that the Magistrate Court Ekiti Adjourns ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application to December 20, 2024. And we want to hope that Baba Farotimi, you know, go spend Christmas for prison, hopefully. But then I believe that's their plan. I plan to keep him there for a long time. My question is this to you guys: what do you think about this case? I need you to leave your comments. As the Magistrate Court Ekiti Adjourns ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application till December 20, 2024. What is your take on this ruling? What are you thinking? What are your thoughts? Please leave your comments on the comment section. Make sure you also subscribe, and let's go with this update. Please do subscribe. God bless you.